Welcome to the Cuyahoga County Planning Commission's Greenprint training series. Beyond its basic features, the Greenprint has advanced features to help you search, analyze, and refine your mapping work. This module, Graphical Query Tools Part 1, will illustrate how to locate an item of interest and how to access information from the available datasets through point, click, and draw actions. We'll use the search box, tip box, and identify point tool. Let's start with the search bar, which is located in the upper right-hand corner of the viewer and indicated with a magnifying glass. You can search by parcel number, address, or intersection. Let's start with a parcel search. Enter a parcel number, and hit the Enter key or click on the magnifying glass. You'll note two forms of search results. First, there's a blue map flag or pin. This is the location of the specified parcel. Second, a new results panel appears on the left. Notice the live link to My Place. This is the county's property database, which is explored in more detail in the Greenprint introductory course. Let's cancel this search by clicking the X in the top right of the search panel and clear the parcel number in the search bar. Next, let's search by address. Type in an address and hit Enter. The search is not case sensitive, and you should not use commas. You may get more than one result. Each parcel which has some type of link to this address will appear. Results are scored based on how many factors relate to this parcel. If you zoom in, you'll be able to see more discreetly where these different parcels are located. If you click on one of these results, you'll see the proximity score. This is a direct hit, so the score is 100. Let's clear these results. Again, click the X in the upper right-hand corner. And let's zoom back out so we can see the entire county. Suppose you are looking for something close to an intersection. You know the names of the intersecting streets, yet you don't know where it's located. Clear the search bar and enter the names of the intersecting streets using AND, such as Snow Road and Ridge Road. Again, note the blue flag or pin appears at the location where this intersection is, and a new search result appears in the panel. Let's clear these results and move on to the Graphical Query Tools. Close the search results panel. Graphical Searches provide you with details related to any displayed item or items you select with a point, intersect with a line you draw, or within a polygon which you draw. When doing graphical queries, you must both select and activate the layers of interest. We'll start with the default layers and add the municipalities layer, which is found under political. The easiest way to get information on a displayed item is by activating the tip box. First, let's zoom to an area of interest. We'll look at Parma, and the quickest way is by using the bookmark and selecting Parma. In the middle of Parma is an olive-colored item. Click this item with a single left click. Two things happen. First, it becomes highlighted in yellow. Second, a tip box appears. The top right indicates the number of records currently active associated with the item selected, and the name of the item from the current record. Use the right or left arrows to scroll through the records. You can also use the drop-down menu to switch between the available records. The name of the data source or layer is displayed for each record. When you select View Additional Details, a new results panel appears and provides a few additional pieces of information related to this item. Cancel these results by clicking the X in the upper left corner of this panel. You'll note that these actions zoom the view in, and once cleared, the item of interest becomes deselected. Another way to do a quick query is with the point tool. For this example, first zoom out to Brook Park. Open the toolbar from the tool icon in the upper right-hand corner of the viewer. Navigate to the Identify and Query tab. The first 5 tools are the graphical query tools. Select the Point tool by clicking on it, and notice the white instruction box which appears at the bottom of the viewer. This gives you next step instructions for the tool. Clicking the X to close is how you deactivate the tool when finished. Next, click once on an item of interest, such as the tan-shaped item in Brook Park. Note the results appear in the Search Results panel. The bottom of the panel indicates the number of results and how many are being displayed. When there are several results, you can use the arrows to scroll through pages of results. As long as this tool is active, as indicated by the white instruction box at the bottom, you can click on other items of interest and watch the results change. To deactivate the tool, close the white instruction box at the bottom of the viewer. This concludes Graphical Query Tools Part 1. We'll explore the remaining graphical tools in Parts 2 and 3.